Okay, today we're just going to do a quick overview on Bobcat. Also, other diesel motors will pertain to the same type of system depending on the motor. So let's just say that you change the fuel filter on your Bobcat and the Bobcat won't start, but you need to prime the system. And here's how you do that. Alright, so first things first, when you take your old fuel filter off, before you put the new one back on, you want to fill it up with gas. When you take this one off, it's going to be filled with gas. When you put this one back on, you want to fill it with gas. Alright, after you do that and put that back on, here is your primer bulb. You're going to want to prime the system now. You're going to have air in these lines. So the first thing you want to do is you have this, let me turn the light on. You have this bleeder screw here. Alright, so what you want to do is you are going to take a screwdriver and you are going to crack this bleeder screw open. Now, I had already primed this system, so fuel will come out of there, but you want to squeeze this bulb, and you can see there's no air coming out. I have straight fuel coming out. But in your case, you want to keep squeezing this bulb, and sometimes it might take 20 or 30 times to prime that until you get all that air out. And then once you have that fuel, straight fuel coming out, go ahead and tighten that back up. Because the way this works is, when you squeeze this, you're actually sucking gas from your tank. It's coming through the bulb, up here, and it's going up here to your pump. Then it's coming back through here into the fuel filter. So you want to pump that fuel through that line, through there, back down. You're pushing all that air out. It's going into your filter. Now, if you didn't fill this with gas, that's going to take a lot of pumps to fill this thing back up. You'll be there for days. Alright, so it's coming through here, into the pump. Then you're coming back up, and you're going to have another valve, another bleed valve here. So what you want to do after you bleed this one, you're going to come up here now, because now you're going to continue. You got to keep pushing your fuel up, remember. What you want to do is open this valve. Alright, now you're going to keep pumping even more until you feel this thing get tight. Because what that's going to do is push this up, and when you open this, it's pushing the fuel up to your injectors up there. Alright, so open that. You're going to pump, and it could take 20, 30 times, but you're going to feel this thing get tight. Once you do that, go ahead, close that valve up, and the motor should start for you. And that is my quick tip of the day. See you next time.